Roads are meant to be convenient, safe, and pleasant for both vehicles and pedestrians. However, the pedestrian environment in Lagos is far from the ideal, as the sidewalks have been taken over by traders, motorists, shops, and others. This was why Go Forte Foundation, in collaboration with some stakeholders, called on Lagos residents and government at all levels to make roads pedestrian friendly. They made the call at the 4th Easter Paint Splash organized by Go Forte Foundation at Magodo, Lagos, which was aimed at raising awareness on the need for Nigerians to promote a pedestrian-friendly environment. Mr. Gbenga Onabanjo, founder of the initiative, emphasized the importance and health benefits of walking and the need for an environment that is conducive, friendly, safe, and welcoming for pedestrians.
The walkability index in countries like America, Canada, is very high because they lay emphasis on it, because walking makes you stronger, it improves your productivity, it clears your mind, it tones your muscles, it does quite a lot of stuff. So they encourage it. So they have trails running to thousands of miles. You could walk on end in America for 1 year and you don't finish it. And the paths are looked after. They are well lit. Where you need to sit, you can sit. So in this side of the country, of the world, let's embrace walking. And the only way we can embrace walking is when the government provides a conducive environment, which is what I call a pedestrian-friendly environment, PFE for short. So it's a new acronym, which I want to push in the face of people, in the face of the government. I'm a PFE advocate. Once that is bought into, a lot of things will be transformed.
I jog every day, or 2-3 times a week, and we jog on the road. The pedestrian walkway has been taken over by trees, by weed. So this whole initiative is timely, and I believe and hope that if we are able to do this every year, people will be sensitized with what to do about making our environment pedestrian friendly. Because for one reason, totally in the country, I'm sure that people that have cars in Nigeria are less than 20%. A lot of people do go to wherever they are going through buses, marwa, and they walk. And besides, walking is good for everybody. Elsewhere in the world, people that have cars, they park them and they enter buses. How do you go from your house to enter bus? Won't you go through the pedestrian walkway? But we have destroyed everything. And I'm very ashamed for this country.
It's an awareness program that all of us should encourage and applaud. It's a program that should open our eyes as to what we seem to take as normal, what we do every day, and we say, oh, it's a Nigerian thing. And we keep on doing the wrong thing every day. We park over the walkway. We leave our private properties on the walkway. We don't use the walkway. We allow people to sell on the walkway. We even encourage them doing that by even patronizing them. And slowly and surely, the advantage and the benefit of walkway is being eroded. So for Lagos State, the government of the state and all other governments of the country, of all the states in the country, should take a cue as to what kind of infrastructure are they promoting, are they putting in place when it comes to keeping pedestrians safe. Are the provisions real, or is it just talk?
This initiative is actually a long-awaited one for. I know the foundation has been around for about 6 years, but when we talk about pedestrian-friendly environment, it's something that should be taken up even from the government, from the national level, from the federal level, state level. There's supposed to be stakeholders, because we should be concerned about the pedestrian because of safety. Because even when we talk about something as little, when we say little as the zebra crossing, we have to talk about awareness, jingles on TV, on radio, in different languages. it will start from individual homes, then into the community. But when we talk about the government should bring up big initiatives, and they should support foundations like Go Forte Foundation to help, push this information into the society.
Children and youth were not left out in the awareness campaign, as some secondary schools also participated in a competition which was centered on the theme Pedestrian-Friendly Environment.